Welcome to Prime Teams Projects. In this video, we'll walk through how to create and manage projects using Prime Teams. The Projects module provides a centralized workspace where teams can organize work, manage priorities, track progress, and collaborate more effectively. Let's get started. When you open the Projects page, you'll see all your projects in a single dashboard. Here, you can quickly search projects by project name or client, view project status, monitor priority levels, and see the team members assigned to each project. This gives managers and teams a clear overview of ongoing work without needing multiple tools or constant status updates. To create a new project, click Add Project. Enter the project title, select the project status, choose a client if applicable, and assign the workflow that will be used for the project. You can also add a description, set start and due dates, define the project priority, assign team members, and upload any supporting files or documentation. Once saved, the project becomes the central hub for all related work and activities. Now let's look at the workflow. Each project can be connected to a Kanban workflow, providing a visual way to manage tasks and monitor progress. Simply open the project's workflow to access the Kanban board. Tasks are organized into stages such as planned, in progress, in review, and completed. As work progresses, tasks can be moved between stages, giving everyone visibility into what is planned, what is currently in progress, and what has already been completed. This makes it easier to track project progress, identify bottlenecks, and keep teams aligned throughout the project lifecycle. By combining projects and Kanban workflows, Prime Teams helps teams stay organized, improve collaboration, and deliver work more efficiently. That's Prime Teams Projects, a simple and effective way to manage projects from planning to completion. Thanks for watching.